This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Dell Precision 7730 laptop. For the replacement process, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic pick. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Start by removing the bezel. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the LCD. Move the pick around the perimeter and snapping the tabs underneath. Put the bezel aside. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the bottom and top corners of the screen. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the gray tape from the video connector. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Using plastic pick, remove the blue rubber foamy and stick it to the back cover. We're going to use it later. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket. Secure it with a piece of blue rubber foamy. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Secure connector with a clear tape and the gray tape. Make sure that the cable is in the right position. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Now we can test the screen. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Replace 4 Phillips screws in the corners of the screen. Replace the bezel. Go around the perimeter, snapping tabs back in place. Make sure that all tabs are snapped near the bottom of the screen. Reconnect the power cord, turn the laptop on, and we're done.